Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss the second part of the chapter arithmetic progression. So this part is the sum of the first n terms of an AP. Okay. So in the previous exercise we learned how to do arithmetic progression. Okay. So this is the continuation of it, where we will be required to find out the sum of a given AP series. Let's suppose, for example, a series of AP was given in the form of summation, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up till 100. ठीक है, एंड आपको वहाँ पे इसका क्या निकालना है, सम निकालना है. ठीक है, एक सीरीज़ आपको दी हुई है और आपको कहा गया है कि आपको उस सीरीज़ का सम निकालना है. देन वी विल अप्लाई this particular formula for finding out the sum of the series. Okay, so Sn stands for sum of the series. N is the number of elements in the series. A is the first term. D is the common difference. Okay, now let's take a very simple example to illustrate how to find out the sum of a given series. Suppose this was the given AP series and we need to find out the total sum of this series. So we have n as 100. There are 100 terms. A is 1. D is the common difference, that is 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. Now suppose we take out the sum of the series, we will apply this particular formula. So we get 100 by 2, 2 into 1 plus 100 minus 1 into D, that was the common difference. So we got 50. 100 minus 1 is 99. 99 into 1 is 99. 99 plus 2 is 101. So 50 into 101, that comes to 5050. Okay, so this will be the way we will apply the formula so as to take out the sum of the given AP series. Now let's go through two particular examples from this exercise. So let's suppose the example was given, find the sum of the AP minus 2 minus 7 minus 12 minus 77. एक AP आपको दिया हुआ है, आपको इसका सम निकालना है. ओके, सो यहाँ पर कैच क्या है, पिछले सम में क्या था, हमें 100 दिया हुआ था, वो 100 को हमने n मान के चला. n क्या है, द टर्म ऑफ द सीरीज. इस सम्स में n जो था हमारा 100 था, दैट वाज द टर्म ऑफ द सीरीज. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमें दिया हुआ है -77, पर ये n नहीं है बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट द टर्म ऑफ द सीरीज. पिछले सम में हमें समझ में आ रहा था कि ये टर्म ऑफ द सीरीज़ है, क्योंकि 1 2 3 4 5 ऐसे करते करते 100 टर्म ही 100 होता, पर यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है -77. -77 कौन सा टर्म है, ये हमें निकालना पड़ेगा. उससे पहले हम जान लेते हैं कि a क्या दिया हुआ है, -2. d दिया हुआ है -7. a दिया हुआ था -2. d हम निकाल लेते हैं. कॉमन डिफरेंस -7 minus -2, which comes to -5, and the last term an was given as -77. Now we need to take out the sum of this AP. So an is equal to -77. So in the last exercise we learned that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So from this we can take out the value of n. a की जगह -2 लिखेंगे, n का वैल्यू हमें निकालना है तो इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हैं। d हमारा आया था -5, so we get -77. This 2 goes here, so this becomes +2. This becomes -5n plus 5. -77 plus 2 minus 5 is equal to -5n. So we get -80 is equal to -5n. Minus is cancelled. So 80 by 5 is equal to n, so which comes to 16. So -77 is the 16th term of the given AP. Now we need to take out the sum of the series. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So we got the n, that was 16, so this gets 16 by 2. We had the a, that was -2, so 2 into -2. And we had d as -5. So we get 2 into 2 is -4, 16 minus 1 is 15, 15 into -5 is -75. You get 8 into -79, which comes to -632. So we got the, first we took out the n, and then from that n we took out the sum of the series as -632. Let's go through one more example. Okay, so the question said how many terms of the AP, so here AP is given 25, 22, 19 are needed to give the sum 116. Also find the last term. Okay, so in this case we don't need to take out the sum is already given. Okay, so what we need to find, we need to find how many terms of AP are needed to give the sum 116. Okay, so basically we need to take out the value of n, and then we need to find the last term, that is an. So the sum of the series was given as 116. We had a, that was the first term, as 25. d we can calculate as 22 minus 25, which comes to -3. Now we need to find the value of n. So as we know the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Let's substitute the things. Sn is equal to 116, which was given, and we need to find out 2a, which stands for 2 into 25 plus n minus 1, and again we need to find out, and d is -3. So this 2 gets multiplied with 116, we get 232 is equal to n. 2 into 25 is 50, -3 into n is -3n, -1 into -3 is +3. So we get 232 is equal to 50 plus 3, 53, 53 into n, 53n minus 3n square. So this will come to the left hand side. We get 3n square minus 53n plus 232 is equal to 0. Now we will factorize it. 3 into 232 is 696. We take the LCM. square minus 29n minus 24n minus 29n plus 232 is equal to 0. 3n n minus 8 minus 29 n minus 8 is equal to 0. 3n minus 29 and n minus 8 is equal to 0. 3n minus 29 is not possible, so we take n minus 8 is equal to 0, so n is equal to 8 series. So we got the last term of this series, that was n, which was 8. Now we need to find out what actually was the last term. Okay, so the last term number was 8. Let's find out the last term. So how to find out the last term? an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So an we need to find out. A was 25, last term was 8, which we got 8 minus 1, and d we found as minus 3. So this becomes 25. 8 minus 1 is 7.